Hey rail fans, this is Bruce at Lakeland, Florida, and this is L-792, I believe.
Alright, I'm showing a bulletin at 80277, 66 empties. 3314 is your engine, broad deck, and it goes you on duty at 0715. Not a key train over 3 miles. Calendar is complete.
987. 7389. And I waved and we got a horn greeting. We can see the hoppers all full of white rock. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please make sure you're subscribed. And I appreciate it if you give my video a thumbs up and leave a comment.